Okay, first things first. This is my gym. Second things second. If you think you're better than me, you're wrong. But for this time only, I'm gonna let you teach me how to do a handstand. Awaiting instructions. Okay, I'll figure it out. First you take off your dumb hat. Then you take off your dumb glasses. Then you leave on your cool bandana. Then you take off your multiple shirts. Until you get into your right workout shirt. That's right. Okay, so this is a simple thing. You just put your hands on the ground and your feet in the air. Okay, alright, I wasn't ready. I'm gonna try again. Here we go. This is it. Here we go. Nope, not this time. Okay, that was enough. That was really scary. I could have gotten hurt. Safety precautions, safety first. Maybe we should stretch. Yeah, let's stretch. Stretch your hammies there. Just stretch them hammies. Okay, alright. Maybe a little bow practice. Just to warm up. Do something I'm familiar with first, you know? Just 1, 2. Okay. Okay. This is dangerous. Don't try this at home. This is dangerous. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. One more time. Okay. And that's how you do a handstand. Yeah, that's right. I figured it out on myself. I don't need you.